Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1-2-Step. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop notifications from Zedge application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to stop the notifications from Zedge, you just simply have to open this Zedge application into your device. Then after opening the Zedge application, tap into this My Zedge option. And then after tapping into My Zedge, click into this gear icon into the top right, and into the gear icon you will find this option of push notifications. Just simply click into that push notifications option and just simply disable it from here. It will lead you to the app notification setting. If it will lead you to the app notification setting, you just simply have to disable it into there. And after this, your notifications of Zedge will be stopped. By following these very easy steps, you can also easily stop the notifications from Zedge. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.